Majestic on a track.
You know we can solve it, never listen to what they told. Look how the bitch spit them toes, I get up with your toes. In the streets all my life and I ain't stopping for nothing. If you don't like me, then fucking pull that dick up in the bus. Leave a nigga laying down like this is a cut. Leave a nigga laying down, nigga is nuts. You know they ride with they hit that nigga be nuts. And let a nigga get a trippin', then this shit get ugly. I put that picture on, but you ain't got to do nothing. I'm tryna end the discussion, I catch him out in the chuckle. I can get your boy buckle, catch it that way hustle. Pistol under my belt buckle, fuck I look like doing knuckles. Fuck the DA and the judges and whoever night buzzing. They ain't all love for my cousin when this shit get bloody. Let a nigga try to mug me, I'ma shoot you for mugging. Young nigga straight out there dirty and I take it in bucket. Caught him and did that boy dirty and that message was urgent. I'm with all of that murder, man, my niggas blood thirsty. About that Birkin, pop up on your ass when you working. Then watch you on the news early. Tryna watch out for Curly. With that chopper, get surgical. I shoot that pistol with vertical. Who is you, never heard of you? You know we just solve it, never listen to what they told. Fuck out a bitch, stick the toes up, get that with the toes up. In the streets all my life and I ain't stopping for nothing. If you don't like me, then fucking pull that dick up and bust. And leave a nigga laying down like this repercussion. Leave a nigga laying down, nigga is nothing. No living soldier like me, never listen to shit, never told what I see. Coop to pick up that heat and get the bind of the street. It's the principle for me. I should stand on that beat, spin once, spin again. Maybe you one of your friends, it's a must for revenge. 7 points is 2s in the win. Fuck it, let go to the pin. Fuck all that he say, she say, man, that shit get you killed. You gon' make me come forward, you like pooping point, but I show you. You know we some soldiers, never listen to what they told you. Fuck out of this, spit them poles up, get left with your toes up. In the streets all my life and I ain't stopping for nothing. If you don't like it, then fuck it, put that dick in the bus. And leave a nigga laying down like this repercussion. Leave a nigga laying down, nigga is nothing. I'm tryna end the discussion, I catch him out in the truckle. I can get your boy buckle, catch his ass where you pistol under my belt buckle, fuck I look like doing knuckles.